Assalamualaikum. Hi students, Science Form 1, Chapter 7, Subtopic 7.3, Air Pollution. Air pollution is a situation which involves the presence of any pollutants in the air. These pollutants can cause harm to human and other organisms when released into the air. So now let's watch a video of air pollution, air pollutants, and the sources.
Air pollution occurs when pollutants are in the air. Haze is an example of air pollution. Air pollution affects the quality of air, threatens the health of living things, and makes the environment unclean. Dust and soot come from the quarries, cement factories, and construction sites. Smoke, soot, and dust come from forest fires, open burning, and cigarettes. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide come from vehicle exhaust. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide come from the factories in heavily industrialized areas. Chlorofluorocarbon, or CFC, comes from coolants in refrigerators and air conditioners and aerosol sprays. Lead particles come from leaded petrol and leaded paints. Chemicals come from pesticides in agriculture. Radioactive pollution comes from nuclear explosions. Air pollution.
Okay, students, let's answer the question. What is the condition shown in the diagram? Familiar, right? The answer is haze. Next, explain how the condition happened. Haze often occurs when dust and smoke particles accumulate in relatively dry air. Okay, next, let's watch a video on how to prevent and control air pollution.
Society can play its role in controlling air pollution. Educate students about the effects of air pollution and ways to prevent it. Organize anti-smoking campaigns. Educate the public about the benefits of using public transport, carpooling, or cycling through the mass media. There are some steps that can be taken for law enforcement. Prohibit factories from being built near housing areas. Carry out inspections regularly and enforce rules. Fine smokers who smoke in restricted areas. Fine anyone who conducts open burning. Fine owners of factories or vehicles that produce excessive smoke. Use science and technology to control air pollution. Use hybrid cars. Catalytic converters convert harmful exhaust gases into carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water. Fix filters and chimneys to trap the pollutants before releasing the smoke to the air. Use predators to control pest populations. Hydrofluorocarbon, or HFC, has zero effect on the ozone layer and is a replacement for chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. Society can play its role in controlling.
Okay, next. What are the effects of the thinning of ozone layer? Agricultural yields loss or damage. Earth temperature increases. Causes skin cancer. And also causes eye cataract. Next, let's watch a video on the adverse effects of air pollution.
There are many adverse effects of air pollution on human health. There are many adverse effects of air pollution on the climate. Smoke, soot, and dust from factories, vehicles, and open burning can lead to haze. Excessive carbon dioxide leads to the greenhouse effect, where the sun's heat is trapped by the Earth's atmosphere. Excessive chlorofluorocarbon, or CFC, causes the thinning of ozone layer. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide cause acid rain. There are many adverse effects of air pollution on plants and animals. Acid rain makes the soil acidic and less fertile. Acid rain makes the water acidic, which makes aquatic life to die. Acid rain destroys trees and forests. Smoke and haze decrease the amount of sunlight that reach the earth and cause the low rate of photosynthesis. There are many adverse effects of air pollution on buildings and infrastructure. Dust and soot stain the building. Erosion of limestone building. Metal structures rust faster when exposed to acid rain. This causes the structures to break down. There are many adverse effects of
Okay, as for the conclusion, here are a few ways on how to prevent and control air pollution. The first one, through education. Next, through law enforcement. And the last one, through science and technology. Education. Educate students about the effects of air pollution and ways to prevent it. Next, organize anti-smoking campaigns. Educate the public about the benefits of walking, riding bicycle, using public transport, or carpooling. Through science and technology, use hybrid technology in vehicles, use biological controls to control pests, use catalytic converters on vehicles, install filters in smoke chimneys at factories, replace CFC with ozone-friendly gases such as HCFC. Through law enforcement, prohibit factories from being built in or near housing areas, fine smokers who smoke in restricted areas, fine owners of factories or vehicles that produce excessive smoke, fine individuals who conduct open burning. Besides that, we can also use public transport, unleaded petrol to save our Mother Nature. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye.